In this tutorial, I will show you how to increase ore collection in Clash of Clans and maximize your potential. First of all, what you can do is to ensure your blacksmith is upgraded to the highest level. The blacksmith unlocks at Town Hall level 8 and is essential for producing and upgrading hero equipment. Using your ores, go ahead and prioritize upgrading your blacksmith as it will allow you to manage more ores and improve your equipment faster. Another thing that you should do is to go ahead and head over to your builder's base by using this boat. In here, make sure that you have rebuilt your broken gem mine to be able to get gems from this, which are actually necessary for creating ores. Make sure that this is also upgraded to the highest level as possible. Also, ensure you complete your daily star bonus by winning player battles. This bonus often includes ores along with other resources. Regularly completing these challenges will provide a steady stream of ores, especially shiny and glowy ore. When participating in clan wars and clan games, winning wars and completing games with your clan can yield significant amounts of ores, and the rewards increase with the difficulty of wars and the activity level of your clan. Engage in clan war leagues for even higher rewards, including rare ores like saint ores. Next is the trader. So occasionally, the trader offers ores in exchange for resources or gems. So check the trader's offers daily to take advantage of these deals and stock up on ores. Now tap on weekly deals, building on the top left to see what's available. Now I hope this video helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.